Within the serene corridors of the palace, where shadows intertwine with the diminishing light, I find myself enveloped in memories that linger like the gentlest silk against my skin. It is said that love is a tapestry interwoven with strands of joy and sorrow, and today I grasp the final strand in my quivering hand. The world beyond moves with unyielding speed, yet here in this instant, time decelerates to listen to my heart's murmurs. It recounts stories of a love so profound, so unblemished, that even the stars may covet its brilliance. However, love is not always a gentle zephyr. At times it manifests as a tempest that leaves us gasping, longing for just one more greeting. As a princess, my existence has been adorned with obligations and expectations, yet beneath the crown and noble garments lies a heart that beats like any other, wild and tender. Love has served as my hidden sanctuary, where I have roamed amidst hopes and aspirations, feeling the caress of affection against my spirit. Each shared smile, each exchanged glance has constituted a silent vow, a secret dialect spoken solely by two intertwined hearts. Yet now, as the concluding chapter reveals itself, I find myself at the juncture of farewell, where every utterance is laden with the gravity of what must conclude. The final farewell is not merely a goodbye, it embodies a tender parting that encapsulates the essence of our shared history. It resonates with the laughter that once filled our surroundings, the warmth of hands intertwined during serene moments before dawn. In this parting I perceive the reflection of a love that has endured, despite the growing distance and the passage of time that stretches between us like an infinite ocean. This love has imparted lessons of bravery, revealing the beauty in vulnerability, where true strength lies not in defenses, but in the openness to experience profound emotions, bidding farewell with dignity. Memories surge through my thoughts like a spring river, relentless and vibrant. I recall the initial greeting, the spark that ignited a fire within my soul, the way his gaze contained a cosmos of aspirations, the gentleness of his voice that rendered the world a more compassionate place. We communicated in hushed tones, our dialogue crafting a clandestine realm exclusive to us. Each moment was a precious gift, a treasure safeguarded within the depths of my heart. Now, as I prepare to utter the final farewell, I carry those treasures with me, their brilliance illuminating my path through the darkness of separation. In its most authentic essence, love serves as an educator, and the final farewell embodies its ultimate lesson. It imparts the understanding that love signifies freedom rather than possession, and it is about letting go with hope instead of clinging tightly. It requires the bravery to release what we hold dear, with the faith that the connection remains intact despite distance or silence. Within this final farewell, I discover a poignant tranquility, a gentle acknowledgement that our shared moments were genuine and beautiful, even if they now exist solely in memory. It is a goodbye enveloped in gratitude, a quiet wish for joy that lies beyond the horizon. The palace walls appear to listen as I utter this last farewell, as if they too comprehend the profound nature of my departure. The hallways, once resonating with our laughter, now embrace a sacred stillness, a sanctuary for healing and remembrance. I traverse these corridors with a heart that is both burdened and hopeful, aware that the journey of love is never truly concluded. It transforms, it progresses, and at times it leaves us with nothing but a final farewell that carries the promise of new beginnings, softly whispered on the winds of change. In the serene moments preceding the arrival of night, I gently close my eyes and allow my final farewell to escape my lips, like a soft whisper. This is not a lamentation but rather an everlasting ode of love, a tune that will resonate long after our separation. I envision his visage one last time, immortalized in the celestial bodies above, serving as a guiding light amidst the shadows. This final farewell is my offering to him, representing everything that has been and all that will eternally exist. It is a promise that regardless of where life leads us, the affection we shared will persist as a luminous thread woven into the fabric of my being. As the dawn emerges, heralding the arrival of a new day, I carry this final farewell with me, as if it were a treasured gem. It serves as a reminder that love, although at times ephemeral, leaves a lasting impression on our souls. It encourages us to value each moment, to express our truths with conviction, and to face even the most challenging farewells with dignity. Within this final farewell, I discover the fortitude to advance, to confront the future with optimism and bravery, assured that the light of love will never truly diminish. The narrative of my affection embodies bravery, shared aspirations under the expansive Spanish sky, and a heart that learns to bid farewell without remorse. The final greeting signifies not an ending but a new beginning, a chapter that gently concludes to allow another to unfold. It stands as a testament to love's ability to heal, transform and inspire, even amidst parting. As the princess who once envisioned eternity, I now cherish the final farewell as a sacred vow, a vow that love in all its manifestations is invariably a journey worth undertaking.